Hi friends, it's Mia. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Guess what we're drawing and coloring today? It's something cheesy, yummy, and super funny. It's a slice of pizza. And not just any pizza, a cool pizza with sunglasses. If you love drawing and learning with us, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the fun. Now grab your crayons or markers and let's start drawing and coloring our silly slice of pizza. Pizza can come in all kinds of shapes and colors. Do you like cheese pizza? Or maybe one with pepperoni or veggies? This pizza is ready to party! Just look at those sunglasses! What color would you choose for your pizza toppings? You can use red for pepperoni, green for peppers, or even make rainbow pizza if you want. Remember, it's so fun to draw and color this silly snack. Let's pretend. You walk into your kitchen and guess what you see? A pizza slice doing the moonwalk. He turns to you and says, "Yo, wanna dance with me?" You and Pizza Pete turn on the music and start a dance party right on the floor. Spin, wiggle, jump. It's a pizza dance party. Would you dance with a silly pizza slice? What song would you play? Let's learn some yummy and fun things about pizza while we finish our drawing and coloring. Pizza comes from Italy, a country known for delicious food and warm weather. People have been exploring pizza there for hundreds of years, even before cars or video games existed. And guess what? The most popular pizza topping in the whole world is pepperoni. Do you like pepperoni? Or do you prefer cheese, mushrooms, or pineapple? Now here's a super silly surprise. The largest pizza ever made was over 13,000 square feet. That's as big as 2 swimming pools put together. Can you imagine delivering that pizza to your house? Hi, I've got your giant pizza. Do you have a crane? Beep beep, giant cheese delivery coming through. If you could make a pizza any size, how big would you make it? Would it fit on a plate? Or take up your whole backyard? And what fun toppings would you add? Gummy bears? Carrots? Marshmallows? However you imagine your pizza, it's perfect because you made it with creativity. Your pizza drawing is looking so awesome. Keep coloring in the crust, the cheese, the toppings, and don't forget the cool sunglasses. What if your pizza could talk? What would it say? Maybe, "Eat me!" "No wait, I'm too cool!" Or, "I dance better than you." You can even draw some friends for your pizza, maybe a dancing juice box or a roller skating cupcake. If you're having a fun time drawing and learning, give us a big cheesy smile and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We love drawing with friends like you. Wow, just look at your drawing! You made an amazing, colorful, dancing pizza slice! Great job! Let's remember what we learned today. Pizza is a super fun food to draw and color. It can have all kinds of toppings and shapes. And sometimes, pizza likes to boogie. Great job! If you had fun, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new Draw and Learn adventure. Thanks for drawing and learning with us today. See you next time, friends. Bye!